So the year is 2023, and if you ask someone somewhere in a third world country, is it possible to stay in the corner of your room, just like as I am now, and be working for anyone in any part of the world, now be the UK, the US, or any European country, American country, as the case will be? They will tell you no. Now I'm putting the question to you. Is it possible? That's not what we'll be discussing today. Next week, we'll be talking about that, freelancing. Sam here, and you're welcome to another episode of Tech with Sam. Today, I'll be giving you top five platforms where you can sell your skills. Top 5 freelancing platforms where you can sell your skills. Now, someone will be like, hey, Sam, I have learned my skill, I've honed my skill, I'm a master of my trade, but there is no patron, no one is buying. This is for you. Today, I'll be giving you the top 5 platforms where you can sell your skill to anyone in any part of the world, and then you do this, you render the service from the comfort of your home, and then you get paid in foreign currency. Right? Too good to be true? No. This is Sam here. If he says it, it's definitely true. I'm wasting much of our time. Let's go straight right into the video. Okay, if you have not subscribed to it, don't forget to click on this button. It's very important. The number one on our list is Upwork. Upwork. Now checking up right here, you see the URL upwork.com. Upwork is the best and the most functional freelancing platform as far as I am concerned. You know, the reason why Upwork is this well accepted is because it is wide, and it has a wide varieties of skills that you can sell on it. You can see that this platform is trusted by Microsoft, Airbnb, and also Outsell. So this is what you get to see whenever you get to Upwork. This is the first thing you see. This is the interface of Upwork.com. You can, if you don't have an account before, you just click on sign up, or you click on login. Upwork has a very strict verification process, and for some persons it's always very hard for them to get past through this verification process. You can log in with your email, you can create password, or you can just use your other means of login, as the case will be. So here, so after logging in, they will verify and confirm that it is you. So I have confirmed my login details. You can see that my account is now right here. After confirming my login details, you can now see that I am actually on this platform. The next thing is to just go to jobs. You can see it right here. Jobs is my job, my contract, the work diary, the report messages. You just have to go through this and, you know, explore it as much as possible. If you encounter any problem, do not hesitate to send me a message, or you just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be looking out for your comment. You can see right here, these are a list of jobs, a research project. So this is the requirement. I would like to have you work with me on a research project within couple of days. The project is relating to criminology. I hope to hear from you soon. So these are the requirements: the academic research, scientific literature review, and the business cases writing, and all of those. When you click on the job now, you see the requirement and the price that the person is willing to pay. This is the level of expertise required for you to take on this job. These are the skills and expertise required for it. This is the activities on this job. You can go ahead and explore it. You can apply here, or you can save the job. You can flag it as inappropriate if you get to have any suspicion about the job. The next we'll be talking about is Freelancer.com. If you are new to Freelancer.com, you can use the sign up button, or you use the login button, as the case will be. If you want to earn money freelancing or hire a freelancer, you have the two button here. You just have to choose the appropriate one for you. So for me, I'll be clicking on login. So My login details are here before. Another thing about these platforms is that they have mobile apps. That is, you can access everything on the go using your mobile apps. This is what freelancer.com looks like when you have logged in into your account. All you need to do is to just come to browse up here, then you come to project. Now when you click on project, this is where it will take you. You can see these are the different kind of project that people are looking for freelancer to take on for them. This is create a custom interactive shoppable video technology platform. This is WordPress theme custom. This is integrate a given iOS SDK into that application. There is 1 bid for this. There are 13 bids for this. There are 59 bids for this. So depends on, and you will see the price that the person is willing to pay. You can actually go ahead and negotiate to whatever you think you can pay. Number 3 on our top 5 freelancing platform is Fiverr. Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the most popular freelancing platforms out there. So when you have logged into your Fiverr account, you either create a new account if you have an account, and you just logged in. Now come to where your profile is here, and then you click on become a seller. Start clicking on become a seller. So you have to come here, click on this same button again, and then you continue. Ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. Let what makes a successful profile. Create your seller profile, and then you publish your gig. Fiverr is a bit different from other platforms which I've mentioned earlier. I'm going to show you the reason why it's different. Now when you look at this place, you see these are the 5 conditions. Take your time in creating your profile, add credibility, then accurately describe your professional skills, put a face behind your name, and to keep our community secure for everyone, you may be asked to verify your ID. So you have to complete all of those and make sure that so here it is. You can see my details here. So after you have filled out all of these details, then you need to just click on continue. So then you fill your occupation as the case will be for you. You fill your education also. If you have a personal website, then you connect your Google, your Twitter account, all of those. Click on continue, then you verify all of these. All of these are verified for me, and then your seller profile is now set. And you can now click on done, and then you now create a gig. On seller, what you do is you create a gig. You do not search for job and then see unlike Upwork and peopleperhour and others. What you do here is that you create a gig. What will you do? I will do so thing for you by then you click the category. I can say okay, here now I can say I will say, for instance, I will develop a WordPress e-commerce website for you, and you just come and select the category website. So it will have plugins, it will have all of these. You choose everything, then you put the positive keywords for the search tag, and then you click on save and continue. So this is how to create a gig. Then here now, excuse me. So here you are going to select the scope and the pricing of your gig. Then when you go to the front, you create the description also. You create the requirements, you create the gallery, and then you publish your gig. You can always save your gig and then you publish it when you're done. Here I cannot go through all of this in this video. It will be too long for us to do that. So this is how Fiverr works. You sign up, create your account, then you become a seller, and then you do what again? You create a gig so that people can see you at the back end, at the front end of the website, and then begin to hire you. The number 4 on our list is peopleperhour.com. I won't be spending much time on peopleperhour.com. It's not one platform I use that much, but people use it very well. And then because of my location, they tend to be strict towards us. So, but it's one of the best freelancing platform out there. You can check it out. All you need to do is just sign up log in, and then it works in the same way like Upwork. When you sign in, you look for job and then you apply for it. The same thing with Toptal.com. I won't be wasting much time here. Also, Toptal.com operates just like the first two platform I have mentioned in this video. You sign up and then you search for jobs. One thing about Toptal is that after all of the creation of your account and submitting of the necessary details, Toptal will have to review your application, and then they will get back to you to tell you if you are qualified to work on that platform. Else, they might reject your application. But I hope you're lucky enough and hope you do your due diligence before going into application with Toptal.
That's that about the top 5 freelancing platforms you can sell your skills on. I want to believe that you picked one or two that you are going to set up your profile on, and then you are going to start selling the skills. Now, you might be having issues choosing which one should I pick or which one should I not. I will urge that you watch the video maybe as much as possible, twice or thrice, so that you can get a grip of what I really talked about. I would suggest you just pick one or two and then you master it and then be consistent with it. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Tech with Sam. If you have not clicked that subscription button, this is the best time to do it before leaving this video. Click on that subscription button, smash the like button, and I'll be seeing you on another episode of Tech with Sam. Bye for now.